StorySkeleton is an app for creating the structure behind writing projects. Each project is a list of index cards that you can swipe through by moving right to left or left to right. And you can edit these cards by tapping on the content area and making your edits. To close the edit mode, you can either choose the Done button or just swipe to the next or previous card. If we tap on the title area, we get this list of predefined card types and plot points. And this will insert the title and subtitle into your card when you tap these items. This list is fully editable, but it's pre-filled with points that a screenwriter might find useful. We can also choose the card color here, and we can optionally use QuickType to freeform type a title instead of using one of those predefined types. To add a new card, we just choose the green plus button, and to delete this card, we just delete it with the red X. To move cards around, we choose the blue arrows button, which grabs this card and pulls it down to the bottom of the screen. Now, as I move, the moving card stays with me stuck to the bottom, and when I arrive where I want to place the card, I can just hit drop, and that will place it directly after the card that I'm currently looking at. We also use this menu to create stacks. So I've done the same thing, press the blue arrows button to pull this card to the bottom of the screen, and if I move over a different card and choose the stack button, it will create a new stack using both of these cards. And it will give me the opportunity to title my stack. Now if I go into the stack, I can see my two cards, and I can move around just like I did in the main deck. We have this white back arrow at the top left, and we also have the exit stack button here. Either one will work to exit. And if we want to add cards to this stack, we can either use the same blue arrows, drag and drop with the stack button right over the stack we just made. Or if we want to go into a specific location in the stack, we can use the blue arrows again and then open this stack and move to where we want to drop and just hit the drop button to insert it. We can jump to the grid view by choosing the grid button, and we can move cards around here. We can delete cards from here, and we can add new cards. If we double tap a card from here, we will jump back to the main view, and if we double tap a card in the list area, we will jump to that card in here. So you can see this card is highlighted, and this card is now selected. So that's the basic functionality of StorySkeleton. In the next video, I'll cover import and export.